I'm out here dashing.
I think this is a unicorn.
First one.
$19 for 11 miles. About to grab this right here, drop it off, and see how much it really is.
Let's get it.
I love deliveries like this. $39, almost $40 for this delivery, man.
Stack you like a bitch, Kato!
It only took me 30 minutes, man. Let's see what we can get next, baby. Let's go.
And another one.
$10.75, 6 items. 6 items is usually great for me from Buddy's Pizza. I think this is a unicorn. I'm about to go grab it, drop it off, see what it is. Let's get it. Yeah, $22, baby. We eating unicorn tonight. We not playing, baby. Got like 2 more hours left in dinner time, man. Let's see if I can grab one more. Let's another Buddy's Pizza one.
I am the pizza man here to deliver the pizza. Thank you. Officer, I got your pizza.
All these pizza spots going crazy today, man. What is it? $12.50 for 7.5 miles. 7 items from Buddy's Pizza. In this order, they only spent like $94, but that's still a big order. I still think this is a unicorn. I'm about to go in here and grab it. Hopefully it ain't no wait time like all my other deliveries, you know what I'm saying? And we lit, let's get it. Dropping that off, that ended up being $22, man. That's what's up. That's slapping. I love these kind of orders. I always see about 3 or 4 of these during the dinner rush. Lunch rush is pretty cool too. I see about 1 or 2 during lunch rush, man. Dinner rush, I would say, is between 5 and 9. And lunch rush, I would say, is between like maybe 10 and 1, maybe 11 and 1 for lunch rush, you know? I see like 1 or 2 during lunch rush, and then I see about 4 or 5 during dinner, man. So I would say dinner time is definitely better to find these kind of orders. Those orders right there was a quick like $84. So that's pretty good, man. That's what's up. All of these type of orders, man, these low mileage, high payout type of orders, they all look decent at acceptance screen. When I'm talking about like mileage versus the payout, they look decent. You know what I mean? They look like something that you might want to do. You know, during dinner time, you might not accept one of these orders because the dinner time is busy. But if you pay attention to the high item count, and it has to be at least $1.50 per mile, and most likely from an expensive restaurant where the item count makes this order expensive. I catch a couple of these every day, man, especially during dinner rush, man. I never want to miss dinner. That's one of my tips for y'all. Don't never miss dinner time, for sure. I saw somebody talking about stop dashing during dinner, but that's crazy, man. Don't ever miss dinner, man. Dinner time is when I make the most money. I usually dash breakfast all the way through dinner, so I'm pretty sure what time is the best time to dash, what time I make the most money during the day. Every market could be different, but in my market, that's definitely the way to go, man. It's definitely busy around those times, for sure. So I always show you what kind of orders I accept on my channel, but I wanted to show you some orders that I decline, man. It's important to know what orders is trash, man. There's better orders out there, so here goes some orders that I decline. First one, Buffalo Wild Wings, $5.25 for 7 miles.
Look, what the fuck is this?
I'm not taking that kind of an order because the mileage is more than the payout. That's a waste of my time. I'd rather save my gas. Second order, Cold Stone, $2.75 for 3 miles. That order right there does not have a hidden payout in it. That's a no-tip order. The mileage is more than the payout. We're not doing those kind of orders.
I'm not fucking leaving.
We're not taking those. Don't take those kind of orders, man. Decline till we die. Then we got this one. Walmart, $9 for 12 miles. The mileage is more than the payout. And Walmart is on my blacklist. I got a list of stores I won't go to because they always take forever to get the order out. And I'm not trying to be waiting forever because wait time kills your money. and the mileage is versus the payout. So that's a double whammy. That's a quick no. That's a quick decline. We some big decliners. We don't do those. Noodles and Company, $6.50 for 3.8 miles. Now that looks almost decent. It's not $1.50 per mile. The item count isn't high enough for me to even be thinking about it's a unicorn. These kind of orders is not going to be a unicorn. There might be some kind of a dollar hidden payout, maybe, but I don't even like these orders during dinner time. It's dinner time, so I decline this. I'm not taking these kind of orders. I'm looking for more than a decent kind of looking order during dinner time. I'm trying to make over $100 during dinner rush, so I'm not taking those kind of orders. Charlie's Cheesecakes, 9.5 miles for $3.50. Those kind of orders never have hidden payouts. That's a no-tip order. You can dash expecting a cash tip if you want to, but I don't ever dash expecting cash tips. I know they're out there, and I love cash tips, but I'd rather have cash tips on top of a tip in the app too. I don't want to gamble. I don't want to play the guessing game, because you might be sad as hell driving 9 miles for $3. That's terrible. That's a waste of time. I'd rather save my gas. Another one from Cold Stone, $5 for 5 miles. When the mileage is the same as the payout, there's never a hidden payout in there. There might be like a $3, $4 tip. There might be like a $3 tip in there, but definitely during dinner time, I don't want these kind of orders. Really, at any point in time in the day, I don't want this kind of an order. I want at least $1.50 per mile if the order is $15. And if it's under $15, then I want to see at least $2 per mile. That's just how I like my orders to be all day, but definitely during dinner time, I'm not even accepting close to this kind of an order, not at all. Auntie Annie's, $14.50 for 11 miles. Now this looks like an okay order, but this is not $1.50 per mile. Some people might think this order is okay, but this is not an order that I would expect a hidden payout from. This is not a unicorn looking order to me. It's not an expensive restaurant. It's not something I'm trying to do, especially during dinner time, but 11 miles for $14, you're really driving 22 miles for $14, and there's not going to be a big hidden payout with this order, so I wouldn't take it. That's just the formula for unicorns, man. When I'm putting the formula in for unicorns, this one doesn't fit, I'm not taking it. So that's something I decline, man. Big decliner. Thank y'all for watching to the end, man. I got some more videos coming in these next couple days. Trying to drop videos every day for my subscribers, man. Love my subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, man. Everybody leave a comment. Everybody tell me how they dash went today.
Catch you on the flip side, motherfuckers. I'm sorry.